Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this particular video, we're going to prepare our front end in order to start coding or start implementing all the modules. And what I mean with that is we're going to use here clean architecture. And most importantly, it's going to be a modular clean architecture project, declaring modules such as core module, core UI. Those particular modules should be reusable, and we're going to add features to our projects. We're going to have 3 features. The first one is going to be for the product. The second one is going to be for the authentication. Third one is going to be for wishlist. Those are all features, and it's going to be modules. And we're going to see how to declare module in TypeScript. With the same way, we're going to do the same approach in all different clients. In this particular video, I'm going just to focus on preparing this front-end project or the front-end section so we can move to the implementation of core module and core UI modules next. So we have to make a small adjustment in Laravel Vue and the web.php. So if we open the web.php route inside routes folder, web.php, we have this kind of syntax. So here, whenever we type in browser this dash, it's going to redirect us to the welcome page, and the welcome page has this kind of code and definition. So we definitely don't want to do this. So we're going to tell Laravel whatever we're gonna type here, we're going to redirect us to this page. We're gonna call it main. So how to do this? So here we're going to do for any URI, we will be redirecting Laravel to this main blade file. So we're going to rename this one instead of welcome. It's going to be called main. This is not enough. So we have to do where and any. It's like setting a regular expression here. Whatever we do in any, it's going to give us the name of main. So that's pretty much it. So now we are redirecting every request to this main blade file. So we have here the head tag. We don't need this actually. Even here in the body, I'm going to delete everything here. And we need to specify to Vue.js. It's like a React where the application is going to be injected. It's going to be div and the ID of this div where the application is going to reside. Let's call it app. I want to access window.global, it's going to be window. We're going to use a magic directive provided by Vite. I'm going to tell Vite where is the entry point of our application. As I said before, it's going to be in resource and JS and source and main.TypeScript. And it's worth noting that TypeScript is not going to be recognizable in the browser, so that's why we have the compiler. We're going to add here some tags and add here some icons and whatnot. So you're going to find everything in the GitHub repository for this particular branch. I'm going to call it front-end preparation. So I'm just going to paste here the 5 icons, paste the code for 5 icons. For the plugin that's going to help us to animate some stuff in the UI, it's going to be animate.css. All right. So, and that's it for the main blade file. I'm going to create a new folder. I'm going to call it source, and I'm going to copy paste the contents from here. And that's pretty much it. So this is where the application is going to live. And I guess that's, we are ready to wrap up this video. Next video, again, we're going to use clean architecture and we're going to build the Vue.js application. So I hope you liked the video and see you in the next one. Happy coding.